Okay guys, so I've got an idea to simulate the Korg M1, and I'm trying to set up a MIDI network in this in the studio. Now the issue that I've got is I want to come out of the Amiga into the Akai, out the Akai, and then into my Fireface card. Now the idea that I've got for all this is to maybe the instruments that I don't have, I'm going to try and simulate them on a software rack, like for example the Korg M1, put that in a rack. But the problem is a lot of these sound cards that have come out now don't have a MIDI through, so you can't feed the through, you can only do out, and the through is what carries the signal sort of through a device and doesn't kind of make that device react to it in a sense, unless you MIDI it up. I can't remember how it goes, something like that anyway. But the plan is to set it up so I can have an external device simulating like a software synth. Like for example, at the moment is the Korg M1 or the Alesis SR16 or HR16 drum machine, and I figured I could put that on another rack, put it in Kontakt, let Kontakt feed a MIDI in, and then have that running, and then use the Apollo as like an external mixer, which I'm in the process of wiring up. Jeez and bread, it's crazy. Just trying to get around the back there, sort it all out. It's some hard work going into it, a little time to do it. So I'm grafting on that at the moment, peeps, and that's a plan I've got. The ultimate software simulation, Korg M1 for all the old sounds like pole, etc. And I should be able to trigger those and feed them back into my mixer. So I'm going to end up probably using my retro PC over there to do a little bit of MIDI in as well. Comment down below if you know any sound cards that have MIDI through, or MIDI interfaces that perhaps have MIDI through that I could use to do this, or perhaps even a MIDI patch bed, because there's sometimes when I want to work on renoise and I want to feed that into the Akai, because there's also that option as well. But instead of pulling out MIDI wires every time I've got to do it, there must be some sort of MIDI patch bay out there. So guys, just an update. I just found out that you can get a Korg M1 app that takes all kinds of cards, well not cards, but like system exclusive messages, which means that all of the archived memory ROM cards that you could get for them, like hundreds of them, would work on this Korg M1 app. Check it out guys, I'm just watching a little video. I know it's look a little bit cack-handed sort of watching it on here, but
pack sounding in my original M1. Now we've got tons of presets available inside the M1. It comes with all the original sounds as well as many of the sound cards, and you can add more sound cards using in-app purchases. There are two sets, one for the M1, and they also have recreated the T1 sounds as well. So in total you can have over 3,300 sounds loaded inside of IM1.
I advise you to check out that video guys. It's by a guy called Sweetwater Sound, and I'm going to subscribe to him now, to be fair, because that's pretty deep. I want to see what's going on. But yeah, so that means I can put my iPad here, over here, on my little iPad rack that I've got here, and I'm going to get one of those iRig iPad MIDI interfaces, so I can MIDI it up as well from the looks of it. And I think there's one called iRig that you can use, so that means I'll be able to get my M1 sounds connected to the Amiga on an iPad. That's like the past with the future. That's deep, bruv. Sick. Yes, massive improved behind the scenes business. Wax on, listening to your tunes, mate. A lot of potential there, a few pointers to come your way. It's now 11:54 p.m. Lots of disc archiving done today, got tidied up. A little bit of the worst state before that. That's it peeps, take care, God bless, peace.